Identify this chart. So what is this chart? This is a chart of ventricular action potential. Ventricular action potential. There are 5 phases. Phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. What is this phase 0? Phase 0 represents the early depolarization. What is this phase 0? Phase 0 represents early depolarization. So what is the cause of early depolarization in phase 0? It is because of the influx of sodium ions. What about phase 1? What does the phase 1 represents? Phase 1 represents the early repolarization, and the cause of early repolarization is due to the efflux of potassium ions. Early repolarization is because of the potassium efflux. What about phase 2? Phase 2 is the plateau phase. The plateau phase is because of the efflux of potassium ions as well as the influx of calcium ions. L-type calcium channels are opened. So calcium influx via the L-type calcium channels takes place in plateau phase as well as there is a potassium efflux. And the calcium L-type channel closes at the end of this plateau phase. What about phase 3? Phase 3 represents late repolarization. There is a continuation of potassium efflux after the calcium channel closes. At the end of phase 2, the calcium L-type channel closes. Even after the calcium channel closes, the potassium efflux continues to take place. What about the last phase? The phase 4. Phase 4 is attaining the resting membrane potential. The cause of phase 4 is actually the sodium efflux and the potassium influx by the pump known as sodium potassium pump. So these are the phases of ventricular action potential.